While several Penn medicine employees have tested positive, hospital officials are saying they're reaching out to people who may have come in contact with the workers. Eyewitness News reporter Jan Carabeo is live at the hospital of the University of Pennsylvania with more on the story. Good morning, Jan.
Jim, good morning. That's right. Penn Medicine has confirmed that several of its employees have now tested positive for COVID-19. But what they're not saying is exactly how many employees have tested positive, and they're not explaining where these employees work. As you know, there are many facilities within Penn Medicine's healthcare system. Penn Medicine, the latest establishment to confirm cases of the coronavirus, telling Eyewitness News that several employees have tested positive. In a statement, a spokesperson says, "We have worked to swiftly identify and contact both patients and staff who may have been exposed to these individuals while they were working, to provide instructions for precautionary measures and self-monitoring. These providers are in quarantine at home and are adhering to all precautions recommended by the CDC."
With the knowledge of how quickly and easily this disease spreads, I ask all Pennsylvanians to stay home.
Pennsylvania now has 150 confirmed cases of the coronavirus, 34 of them in Philadelphia. A drive-through COVID-19 site is now being installed for Jefferson University Hospital at 10th and Sansom Streets. Chopper 3 also over crews setting up a testing site on the Blackwood campus of Camden County College. Another at Temple's Ambler campus. That site is expected to open next week. Crews have also been working around the clock to start a testing site at Citizens Bank Park. To get tested there, you'll need a prescription from a doctor. Meantime, Pennsylvania Governor Tom Wolf is urging people to keep their distance from one another. The hope is to keep hospitals from becoming overwhelmed with COVID-19 patients.
I understand the importance of providing for your family, but every day that goes by that people continue to freely interact is a day that the virus continues to unknowingly infect more and more people.
The governor is stressing he wants people to stay home and away from each other in order to save lives. We're reporting live in University City this morning. Jan Carabeo, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.